Hey, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic, and today we're going to show you how to replace the headlights in your Ford Ranger. Now this is a 99. I think the later ones might be different. The earlier ones might be different as well, but I know at least on our 99 up to 2003, I believe, are the same. Now it's not difficult to do. It's a little bit tricky because you have a small area to work in, but we'll show you how to do it. It really only takes a couple tools and our old friend Mechanics Pick. So we already removed the passenger side, but I can show you what it looks like when it comes off. So here's our passenger side. The way it works is up here on top, there's this one. On the side, there's this one, and then there's one more. So there's 3 points of attachment here. This one right here, it just has little clips on the side that you have to push in to get this one out. These right here on the top and the side here have these little clips right here like this, and you have to remove those. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like on the driver's side, and I'll show you how to get them out. So here's the driver's side headlight. Right here is that one clip. Down here is that other one. And then behind it, kind of down by the wiring harness, you can kind of see it right there, is the other one. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove these 2 clips. Then I'm going to go attack the other one. Now these right here, we're going to use a mechanics pick, so I'll show you how to do it. So on these clips here, on the side, there's little holes. And what you can do is loop your mechanics pick into that hole on the side and pull it off. Now it just came off that side, so then you can grab the main part and pull it the rest of the way off. Right there. Now this is a little bit rusty and crapped up. It will come off easier. The passenger side one came off a whole lot easier than this. Now over here is the same way. This one's a little more difficult because it's down in there, but I'm going to go ahead and get that off.
That much for it?
Sometimes they might fall out the bottom, so just go down and get them afterwards. All right, so it's very hard to show you what it looks like down there to get that one, but I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver and basically just pinch the edge as I'm pulling back on the headlight, and then it should come out. So I'm going to go one side first, get that side pulled back, and then I'm going to come over the other side, pop the other side out, and then once that is done, this headlight will come out. Once it's out, you can turn this and pull it off. Then you can turn this plug. Now your headlight's off. So I'm not going to reinstall them right now because we're changing the headlights when we're converting to a different front end. Now check our channel out if you want to see how to convert it to that newer front end. It's pretty easy to do, and the headlights go in just the same. But we're not ready to do that right now, so I can't show you how to install them. Basically, make sure that one that snaps in first. Then you can go ahead and get those clips in. Just push them down until they snap. There's a notch, like I showed you, on those little studs. As long as it's in all the way and you can slide it down over that notch and it snaps in place, it's going to be in no problem. Now the problem, like I had, and you probably saw this, is I couldn't turn the bulb out of this. I had to unplug it. So I unplugged it. Now I'm going to put new bulbs in with the new headlights. I'm not reusing those, so I'm not too worried about that. Those get stuck in there really good. I tried to get them out, and it got to a point where I was like, I'm not reusing them anyway. You guys can figure it out yourself. So that's why you didn't see it. That's why you just saw me unplug it. And also, like I showed you, it breaks really easily. So be really careful. I'm probably not going to replace it because I got new headlights and it's just a little shroud. So if you break it, it doesn't really matter. You don't need to look for it. But just try to be careful you don't break it because it sucks when you break stuff. If there's anything else you'd like to learn about, post down below in the comments. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at The Midnight Mech and TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic. And if you want some Midnight merch, check out themidnightmech.com and subscribe so you can see all our shows. See you guys next time.